If you're like me, you're trying to figure out when and how we can hold open houses and still do so in a safe way, not just for ourselves and for our sellers, but also for the public. I'm super excited that we now have this option in Heartland MLS to do these live stream open houses. I think it's going to be an awesome way moving forward to be able to keep our community safe, keep our sellers safe, and keep ourselves safe. It's not just in today's climate, but moving down the road. What a great way to be able to offer all the exposure from an open house, but do so in a method that really provides great service and provides safety for agents. So I'm super excited to start using this, and I hope you are too.
We found live stream open houses are a really good combination of taking a virtual tour and being able to make it similar to what we used to have with in-person open houses before COVID-19. So you're actually taking a virtual tour and you're hosting it on an online platform, and you're able to add insights, answer questions, and guide them through the virtual tour as opposed to them just watching on their own. Plus, you can actually get feedback from them for your sellers on what they're thinking about the property, what they like about the property, what they don't like about the property. We're super excited with this new feature that KCRAR and Heartland MLS have rolled out, where we can put our live stream open house data into MLS and it gets fed out to online portals like Realtor.com and gives us a little extra promotion in those saved searches that people have on Realtor.com. So we're excited about that.